Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's continue our lesson. Discrete random variable. Firstly, let's recap what we have learned before. First, probability distribution function. You know that probability distribution function can be represented by using probability distribution of x, or we can call probability distribution table for x. Second, probability distribution function, and third, graph. Second, you already learned about cumulative distribution. Okay, cumulative distribution can be represented by using cumulative distribution table, cumulative distribution function, and graph. So for today, we are going to learn how to find the value of mode, median, expectation, and variance of function. Expectation di sini bermaksud mean. This is the definition of median. Okay, you can read by yourself, but the key word here, median, is the middle value. Determine the median for discrete random variable. If the median is m, then the sum of probability x is equal to m is more than or equal to 0.5. Okay, yang ni kita akan discuss pada slide yang seterusnya. Then second is mode. The mode is the value of x such that probability x is equal to x has the highest value. Or we can say that mode is the most frequent. Let's discuss example. Based on the probability distribution table, find the mode and the median. Okay, so given the value of x, okay, the value of x are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, probability distribution here. Okay, probability distribution here. 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, 0.3, and 0.2. Okay, so how to determine the value of mode? So the value of mode, we refer to the highest probability distribution here. So highest probability distribution here is 0.3. Okay, so that means the value of mode is 8. Okay. And then second, how to determine the median? Okay, to determine the value of median, first we need to identify the location. Okay, so okay, we refer to the cumulative distribution. Okay, so here is P, x less than or equal to 2. This one is equal to 0.2. P, x less than or equal to 4. This one is equal to 0.4. P, x less than or equal to 6. This one is equal to 0.5. 0.8. P, x less than or equal to 10. This one is equal to 1. Then we know that the sum of probability x is equal to m supposed to be more than or equal to 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 here. Okay, 0.5 here. Okay, so that means the value of median is 6. Okay, clear? Okay, now let's discuss B. Okay, by using the same method. Okay, to determine mode. Okay, we refer to the probability, the highest probability distribution. So the highest is 0.4. So that's mean the value of mode is 2. Then median, we refer to cumulative distribution here. So more than or equal to 0.5. So the location is here. Okay, the location is here. Okay, more than or equal to 0.5, right? So median is 2. Okay, that's all. So untuk contoh-contoh lain, kamu boleh refer dalam modul ada banyak, ada beberapa contoh lah di dalam modul. Di sini teacher just nak terangkan the basic concept. Okay, now expectation of function of random variable for this discrete random variable. First, expectation or the expected value of a random variable x is mean of x and is denoted by ex. Macam teacher cakap tadi, expectation ni sebenarnya adalah mean lah. Okay. If x is a discrete random variable with probability distribution function p x is equal to x, then okay, dan kita boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, teacher ringkaskan pada skrin sebelah kanan. Okay, next. Okay, this one is for expectation of x square. So bentuk dia macam ni. Okay, and then nombor 4. If gx is a function of a discrete random variable x. Okay, macam ni bentuk dia. Okay. Then yang nombor 5. Okay, eax. Okay, we can write as aex, where a and b are constant. Okay, so for example, this one, katakan a ni adalah 3. So so E3 is equal to 3. Okay. So second, eax is equal to aex. Okay, sama juga katakan a ni 3. Okay, e3x is equal to 3ex. Okay, ni maksudnya a and b are constant. Okay. Yang ketiga, eax plus b. So, kita boleh tulis macam ni. Okay. So, katakan nilai a 3. Nilai b 5. So, kita boleh tulis sebagai 5e. Kita boleh tulis sebagai 3ex plus 5. Okay. Okay, let's discuss this example. The probability distribution of a discrete random variable x is given in the table below. Okay. So find A. We need to find expectation of random variable x. Okay. So A expectation of x. So the formula is the sum of x, probability of x is equal to x. Okay, so that's mean 1 okay, 1 times 1 over 6 is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, x x here, and then plus 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Okay, so this one is equal to 7 over 3. Okay, so this is expectation of x. Okay, now question B. Okay, we have E2. So we can refer the properties. Property expectation of A is equal to A, right? So expectation of 2 is equal to 2. Or we can prove, okay, let's say we have E2 is equal to the sum of 2px is equal to x. So this one 2 times 1 over 6 plus 2 times 2 over 6 plus 2 times 3 over 6. So this one is equal to 2. Okay. Okay. For C, okay, try to relate with the properties. Okay, so expectation of 5x, okay, we can write as 5ex. So ex kita dah kira tadi pada soalan A, ex is equal to 7 over 3. So this one C is equal to 35 over 3. Okay, now D, expectation of 5x plus 2. Okay, this one is equal to 5ex plus E2. So E2 is equal to 2, right? So Ex, okay, Ex is 7 over 3 plus 2. So this one is supposed to be 41 over 3. Okay, that's all. Then E, expectation of x squared. So this one you need to refer to the table. So 1 squared times 1 over 6, so is equal to 1 over 6 plus 2 squared times 2 over 6 plus 3 squared 3 over 6. So this one is equal to 6. Okay. Then next, F, expectation, okay, 5x squared plus 2. Okay. Oh, sorry. Teacher pun dah pening. Okay, so this one is equal to expectation of 5x squared. So this one plus 2. So this one 5ex squared plus 2. So yang ni kita dah kira sebelum ni. So yang ni 5 darab 6 tambah 2. Okay, this one supposed to be 32. Okay, that's all.